Topic of our project is information on stock exchange in India. Project is done by SYBAF students Sonali Mane, Chitrani Devrukkar, Amay Margaj, Prerna Bhosle, Ritish Bhalera. Following are the objectives of the project. First, introduction to stock and stock exchange with its definition. Second, history of stock exchange in India. Third, features of stock exchange. Fourth, nature of stock exchange. Fifth, function of stock exchange. Sixth, benefits to the investor. Seventh, benefits to the company. Eighth, benefits to the community. Ninth, National Stock Exchange Limited. 10th, Bombay Stock Exchange Limited. 11th, growth of stock exchange in India. 12th, meaning and power of SEBI. 13th, meaning and advantage of OTC. 14th, how to see value of shares. 15th, stock market effects on economy. 16th, conclusion. Introduction to stock exchange. What is stock? Stock means an instrument that signifies an ownership position called equity in corporation and represents a claim on its proportional share in the corporation's assets and profits. What is stock exchange? The Securities Regulation Act of 1956 defined stock exchange as an association, organization, or an individual which is established for the purpose of assisting, regulating, and controlling business in buying, selling, and dealing in securities. 1. Organized marketplace. 2. Members gather to trade. 3. Members may act as agent or as principals. 4. Securities includes shares, unit trust, derivatives, pooled investments, products and bonds. 5. Company has to be listed. Features of stock exchange are as following. 1. Providing liquidity and marketability to existing securities. 2. Pricing of securities. 3. Safety of transactions. 4. Contributes to economic growth. 5. Spreading of equity cult. 6. Providing scope for speculation.
Nature of stock exchange. It is a place where securities are purchased and sold. A stock exchange is an association of persons, whether incorporated or not. Both genuine investors and speculators buy and sell shares. The trading is strictly regulated by rules and regulations. Functions of stock exchange. A. Assures liquidity of capital. B. Regular market for securities. C. Evaluation of securities. D. Mobilizing of surplus savings. E. Helpful in raising capital. F. Safety in dealings. G. Listing of securities. H. Platform for public debts. I. Clearing housing facilities. Smoothness the price movements. Benefits of the investors. Liquidity of investments, negotiability of securities, assure safety, knowledge of true values, minimize risks, educates investors.
Benefits to the company: enhances the credit standing, widens the market, reduce the danger, minimize the risks, minimize the price fluctuation, better bargaining power, enjoy several tax advantages. Benefits to the community: stimulates investment, help the government, assists in the best utilization, smoothens the process capital formation, reflects business conditions. National Stock Exchange Limited. The NSE Rashtriya Share Bazaar, established in 1994 as a tax company in a stock exchange located at Mumbai, MH India, covering 370 cities and towns in a country. It is in the top 20 largest stock exchange in the world by market capitalization and the largest in India by daily turnover and the number of trades for both equity and derivative trading. NSE has a market capitalization of around $1 trillion and over 1,652 listings. The NSE Keys Index is the S&P CNX Nifty, known as a NSE Nifty, National Stock Exchange 50. NSE is mutually owned by a set of leading financial institutions, banks, insurance companies, and other financial.
Bombay Stock Exchange Limited, commonly referred to as BSE, is the oldest first stock exchange of India, established in the year 1875. First, it was started under Banyan Tree opposite to Town Hall of Bombay, over 22 stockbrokers. It is the first stock exchange in the country which obtained permanent recognition from GOI under the Securities Contract 1956. Market Index: BSE Sensex, also called BSE 30. BSE has the largest number of listed companies in the world. Growth of stock exchange in India. India has 8 national stock exchanges and 21 regional stock exchanges. BSE and NSE are the major ones. What is SEBI? The Securities and Exchange Board of India is the regulatory for securities and commodity market in India under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. It was established on 12 April 1988 and given statutory powers on 13 January 1992 through the SEBI Act 1992. What are the powers of SEBI? Powers to approve the bylaws of stock exchange, powers to inspect the book of accounts, powers to grant license to any person for dealing in certain areas, powers to delegate powers exercisable by it, powers to try directly foliation of certain provisions of the Company Act. Over-the-counter exchange of India. The OTCEI is a national, ringless and computerized stock exchange. It was established in October 1990. It started its operation in September 1992. Features of OTCEI. It's a nationwide stock exchange. Its operational areas cover entire India. It's a ringless stock exchange. The trading ring, commonly found in a traditional stock exchange, is not found in a OTCEI. It's a computerized stock exchange. Advantages of OTCEI. It helps to the investors to have easy and direct access to the stock exchange. It helps to investors to get fair prices for their securities. It provides safety to the investors, to provide computerized trading system, to provide investors a convenient, efficient and transparent mode of investment.
How to see the value of shares in stock exchange. Sensex is an indicator to check out in BSE. Nifty is an indicator to check out in NSE. Now, stock markets affect on the economy. An increase in stock prices causes an increase in wealth and consequently an increase in consumer spending. Investment is also affected by higher prices. With a higher stock price, a firm can raise more money per share to finance investment projects. Conclusion: we have learned about stock and stock market in India, of which NSE and BSE are the major ones. We have also seen the features and characteristics of stock exchange along with the powers of SEBI. Thus the conclusion. Thank you.